Yeah.
But the crawlers don't burn the energy.
Right.
Nice job.
There you go. Good job, brother. Good job.
Show after show, yeah, we do this every week. If you hating, then you broke, boy, take a seat. And that ain't heat that you be dropping, that be weak.
Young boy on the beat.
All right, guys. Welcome to Two Boys RC. Today we're at High Fly Hobbies. So they have a portable crawler course. So we'll be going over here checking that out. Yes, sir.
Mike, this is my wife Denise.
Oh, hey, how you doing? Nice to meet
We got the RC family in here today to join the RC guys.
Can I show her the little red Toyota?
Check that out. That's a 1/10 scale losi night crawler SC, guys. Losi, I'm proud of you for doing that because that was an awesome crawler and you guys just made a bigger size. Oh yes, guys, that's awesome. We have the Bandit here. I'm digging this guy in the surfboard. That's awesome. Florida. I might get that one day for the channel. Might be something old school though. You guys want some FPV? Come on down. You got it all, man. But yes, that's the Traxxas X Max. I mean the Traxxas Max. This thing is awesome. Guys, this is a portable crawler course. Make sure you come out, support him. That way if you're in the Daytona area or wherever you may be, you go anywhere, right?
Mostly Florida.
I like this, man. It's really nice.
Thank you.
It's a great idea.
Yeah, well,
Great idea.
I work at a place that kind of put it in my head a little bit.
Right. So that's good though. Can't beat that. It's a little hard, right?
Yeah, it's real hard. Well, I mean, there's loads of trucks about the most capable you can buy for the money.
I had that.
I mean, you see, like this guy, he's struggling.
Yeah.
This is the Devil's hot tub.
So this is your car? Or you rented it?
Rental.
Okay, good. So my guys over here checking out, trying the course, man. It's very difficult. So if you think you're a pro, make sure you get down here. Rock Mountain RC, rock crawling experience, baby. It definitely is. Look at that. Yes, sir. You got it, brother. You got it. Told you. There you go. Good job, bro. How y'all doing? All right. Got the Nightcrawler SC, blue, looking very spiffy. I like the blue and the green, man. I had the smaller ones. There you go. You got the prices here. One run, $10. 2 runs, $15. What is? Bring your own all day, $20, guys. Can't beat that. Yeah. And then they just brought this one out, right?
Well,
2 years ago.
2 years?
Yeah.
Well, this truck.
Okay.
The Nightcrawler first edition.
Right.
About 5 or 7 years ago.
Right. And then they had the 1/18 green
18
one.
scale. Yeah, they started it in the early 2000s.
Right.
Ran for about 10 years and they quit using it.
Okay. Definitely, man. This is a great experience, man. Y'all got the right idea here, brother. Love it. Check it out. We got a bridge. This is awesome setup. You have some water. Yes, sir. High Fly Hobbies. Can't beat that. Oh yeah, we got more obstacles around the way. Let's check it out. This is awesome, guys. You can't beat it, man.
I'm stuck.
You got it, brother. You got it. Let's go. There you go. Good stuff. Yeah, that's a little difficult turn there. Yeah.
I was thinking magnetic.
Good job, good job. Ah, look at that, guys. Yeah. Yeah, that's cool, man. Losi, nice ball. Good job. Just sitting on that tree.
Need to come see us at Oktoberfest.
I'm definitely coming. Where you gonna be at? Habitat? Yeah, I'm gonna come. Definitely. I'll be there. I've been to a couple, but not as many as I could be. Yeah, that'll be tight. That's definitely a good
I have my
place.
own crawler by then.
Definitely. I
I
got.
got 2.5 weeks to get one from my
Yeah, I got. It's going on YouTube. I film it, edit it, going on YouTube. Definitely. Mm-hmm. Definitely. All right, y'all hear that? We'll be there. Definitely. Yeah. I got 2 crawlers actually. I got the Blazer, which is 2 top heavy. The
Traxxas.
the TRX4 Blazer. Yeah.
Yeah, I find that they are all
Top
the
heavy.
steel trunks are real top heavy.
Yeah, I like the Rubicon though. My wife has that. I bought that one for her. The Axial. Yeah, that one was nice.
That's a CX10, right?
Yeah. ACX10
I don't know.
too.
I like the challenge more.
I had the
I like the challenge a little more.
yeah. It's very therapeutic doing this crawling. That's what I like about it. I have a big crawler course at my house. I built a big crawler course at my house. Yeah, you'll see it on the video if you check it out.
Yeah, I will check it out.
Yeah, I got a big course, man.
Wait, this is how this came about.
Yeah.
You can go either way.
Right, that's how I go.
That's the hard way to go. This one won't go that way. I tried.
Right.
You can
That's
go
right.
this way.
Well, as soon as I started coming up with the idea, I started getting money.
That's how you do it. Let it pay for your hobby. There you go. There you go. I'm gonna get out my X-Max and take it in there because they got the new Traxxas Max. Show a comparison. Good driving, brother. Great driving.
Yeah, you came a far way over here to check this
Yeah,
out.
definitely. See, I had to come get some parts, and then they got a new car that just came out. I needed to film, so that's what I was doing. I got a X-Max with my channel name painted on it. I'm finna pull that out.
Oh yeah?
Yeah,
I wish I had my battery charged. I got me a little Stampede.
yeah, that's fun. Fast too.
3.5 turn.
Yeah, that's fast.
Would you like to try your skills out with a rock roll?
That's nice. This your first time doing
I
crawling?
got a truck right here for that.
Actually, yeah.
Yeah,
$10 a crawler.
I like it. It's fun.
It's a lot of fun.
It's,
I've never owned a crawler. I've always wanted to get into it,
Right,
but this has definitely made me want to get into it a lot more.
right. It's what you're gonna do next is make it a cross. That's how it is. I like it.
It's a battery.
Right
Oh, I
down
went
right
there.
there if you guys are interested.
Cut off.
He articulated so much it shuts itself off. Well, last time I ran here, I didn't charge any of the batteries. I was busy doing everything else. I didn't charge any. We ran most of the day from the batteries.
Yeah,
But the crawler's going to burn the energy.
right. There you go. Good job, brother. Good job. Good job. That's a hard corner over there. Yeah. And that's the fun part about it, cross. That's the fun part. There you go. You made it up, bro. There you go. There you go. You right there, bro. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Turn your whip. Yep. It's hard. That's underneath
All
him.
of that.
There you go. You got it, bro. Nice job. Good job.
I'm gonna try to do the harder way this time.
Gotcha.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. I didn't break. Well, that's I kind of liked it. Yeah. A little more of a challenge. I noticed that. The brand there. I saw a couple of those.
Great job. Great job. Guys, this losi.
I saw that. I was wondering if
He got my boat over here, guys. Miss Geico, 36-inch twin.
I want $1 million, but that's not landing in my lap.
I might have to put some money down on this thing. $6.79 the ticket on that. Yes, sir.
Let's
Model cars. This for my brother Brando in the Bando. Guess what, guys? We got some model cars. I'm gonna be getting into that one day. Check that out, guys. We got some great model cars.
Just amazing little quad. You know, it's good for in the house. I mean, you can fly outdoors.
Yes, sir.
It's just one of the most precise flying little quads out there.
where is it?
Look at that cutlass.
Yeah, you were talking to me
Yes,
about that.
sir.
Just the regular little
442, baby.
little guy there. I mean, it's just for
Yeah, I definitely see something I want. Monte Carlo. Yep. I'm gonna be getting into it, guys. All right. We gotta get ready to get to the racetrack, guys.
Sorry I didn't get in earlier.
Listen, it's been a crazy day. You guys started rolling by.
This is why it's called high and fly, baby. We got the high and fly.
Okay, cool, man. But, yeah, please do.
And then let me get paid. Okay, can I at least get paid? Because I can wait till Monday. If you're gonna get upset about it,
It's kind of a little willy bar in the back.
Look at that.
I'll see you again.
Yes, sir.
I'll see you again. Rich. We'll see you. Yeah, take care. We'll do. Take care. And keep in touch and we'll hope to see you. Yeah. 28. What do you go over there?
These airplanes are cool.
I go over here on Saturday.
Saturday.
Oh yeah, I'm over there.
Definitely cool.
So,
We'll meet again.